Hello everyone, this is me Wasim and you are watching Fitness Addicted Pro. And today, from title, you got the information what the video is about. I know many people just came here to know what exactly in this video I'm going to tell you, so you can easily lose 10 kgs of your weight in 10 days. Is it real? Do you guys really think it will be real in the real world? Can we lose 10 kgs in 10 days, or we can say 1 kg per day? If I see my journey, I lose 51 kgs in 8 or 9 months. If I get this formula, I can lose it very quickly. So our topic is how to lose 10 kgs in 10 days. It is a myth, or it going to be happen in next few days with you guys. So without further ado, let's start the video and I will tell you how you can do it. Okay, I just want to share a story with you guys that few days back one of my friend came to me and told me that I want to lose around 15 kgs or 20 kg, but I have a very short amount of time. I want to lose 15 kgs 15 days or 20 days. So he told me, tell me some kind of formula so I can do it. I told him that in this whole world there is no formula available which can help you to lose around 1 kg per day, but I told him that you can lose it by water fasting or any kind of other activity, but this will be harmful for your body. I told him that this is a, we can say, weight loss is not an overnight success. Weight loss is a journey of transformation. Weight loss is a journey of dedication. If you are dedicated to something, then you can lose some amount of pounds, but initially it will take time to reduce that much amount of weight in very short amount of time period. So I suggest him that if you want to really lose 15 kg, then you have to at least give 3 to 4 months to your body, then you can easily lose around 15 kg. So again, you guys are expecting me to answer the title, like how to lose 10 kgs in 10 days. So basically guys, this is a myth. I saw tons of videos on YouTube. They are making a fool to these audience which really finding a solution for their problems, but people don't care about them. People coming making videos for their views, to tell them that you can easily lose it, eat this, do this, but after 10 days they didn't find anything in that. So I just want to remove your myth that you can't lose 10 kgs weight in 10 days. It's not easy. I can say it's a myth. It's never going to happen. For some people might it happen, they go for water fasting or they go for 7-day fast, so maybe initially they lose that weight, but with next few to 3 to 4 days they again gain this weight. So this is basically a total myth. So I will request you, please don't go or please don't follow those videos. They are telling you that you can easily lose 10 kgs 15 kgs in just few days. So it is not real. I am a guy who lose 51 kgs in 9 or 8 months. It took me huge amount of time and also took me lots of dedication and hard work to lose this amount of weight. So if you want to transform your body from fatty to slim, then you have to work hard. If you can't take time for your body, you can't lose it. So if you want to lose it, you have to work hard, and this is the main and one and only way you can lose your weight. So don't go for that rubbish videos that how to lose 10 kg weight in 10 days. This is never going to happen. Whatever you eat, whatever you exercise you do, whatever you are going to do, but you can't lose 10 kgs weight in 10 days. Even I tried many different formulas, but it never happened. So I want to save you guys from those rubbish videos, those foolish videos, and I want to give you an opinion, or I want to give you an expert advice that please don't go for those videos. The basic and the fundamental rule of weight loss is work hard and dedicatedly and take time. It will take time to lose. So I hope you will understand what it is exactly, so don't follow them. This today's video is basically give you a message that the videos on YouTube you find about weight loss, a quick weight loss is not real. So I just want to make sure that you need to be focused on your weight loss goal, on your transformation, so you can lose your weight very fastly and very organically. Don't go for 10 kg 10 days, it's really a myth and it never going to be happen. I hope you like it. If you want to follow my weight loss planner, I am giving it free of cost. It costs $9 on Amazon, but I'm giving it free of cost to all subscribers, to all viewers of Fitness Addicted Pro. So if you want that, please comment your email below so I can send that planner on your email. And if you want to see my more videos and my journey, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. And also you can see my weight loss journey in the suggested videos. I hope you like this video. This video is basically contain a message regarding can we do that, can we lose that amount of weight in very short amount of period. I am damn sure you understand what exactly I am going to tell you. This is never going to happen, and hopefully you will follow this video. Also share with your friends who are trying to lose weight, and I am sure once you are done with your transformation, people will come to you and ask you the same question: can we lose this much amount of time weight in this much amount of time? So this is not going to be happen. You need to work hard, be dedicated, and I am damn sure if you are working hard and dedicatedly and passionately, you can easily lose weight, but it will take time. Success never comes I can say overnight. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.